Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 1036, our first break of the night. It is September 2nd. Summer is almost over. We got a beautiful Ultimate Collection multi-year mixer. 1036 is the number. Random 20 Canadian a spot. Here are the teams. Anaheim Ducks is EDJR. No trades to report in this one. Goes all the way down to Howell T for both Winnipeg and Vancouver. Let's start with our blaster here first. And then we're going to go old to new. Good luck, good luck. You guys obviously know that this is it's a bonus. It's nothing that was counted for. It's just a bonus. I like to throw in something every break. Okay, for the Jets, Alexander Burmistrov, MVP. Base. Anyone needs their base cards, let me know. As long as it's not many, I have no problem adding it to your pile. Base. What's up, E-King? Just say hi to E-King and tell him that the one that he's in is still has 9 spots left. Someone can tell him that. That'll be great. Tell him he's in $10 mixer number 1 and there is 9 left still. Wow. I think this is the first time I'm opening a 12-13 blaster. I've opened different years blaster, but this is the first 12-13. Hey, we got a young gun. Not bad either. For the Detroit Red Wings, a young guns of Riley Sheehan. Going to Ver 80. We have MVP for the Rangers, Brad Richards. We've only opened 4 packs so far. For the Montreal Canadiens, Hockey Heroes, Larry Robinson. What a crappy blaster. Hope at least we get one more young gun. Canvas for the Canucks, Ryan Kessler. Hopefully a young gun here. Oh, at least we got a young gun. For the Carolina Hurricanes, young guns of Jeremy Welsh. T-Hoop. Okay, well, not the best start. Let's hope that doesn't stay like this. Okay, 13-14 Ultimate Collection box number 704. Ultimate debut. Yeah, that's one thing I miss from this year. For the Montreal Canadiens, number 126 of 499, PK Subban. Ver 80. For the Washington Capitals, number 330 of 499, Ultimate Rookies of Nate Schmidt. Going out to Howell T. 200 of 299 for the Washington Capitals. Rookie autograph of Connor Carrick. Going out to Howell T again. And come on, nice patch. Nice patch. Come on, nice patch. And And not bad. Number 63 of 100. Debut threads. Patch rookie Danny the Kaiser. For Ver 80 and the Wings. This is what I miss from this year's Ultimate Collection. Ultimate debut. I don't know why they stopped that. I don't know why they stopped Ultimate debut threats. I remember these ones didn't have a serial number. 6962. 1415 Ultimate Collection. For the Detroit Red Wings, number 100 of 299, Pavel Datsyuk. Redemption. Not bad. 99 Ultimate Autograph rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Andrew Hammond. Oh, John Lee. Andrew Hammond. Well, no one wanted his Ottawa. He got that. Nice hit for the Oilers. Ultimate signatures of Leon Draisaitl. Todd Mears. Yeah, he did. Just like Matt Murray, I have a feeling that's going to be what Matt Murray will happen to. And, oh, look at that. Number 80 of 100. Ultimate debut threat patches. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare for the Philadelphia Flyers. Howell TT. Howell TW. Spot number 10. Got you this card. I love these, man. I don't understand why they took it out this year. Next up for the Montreal Canadiens, Ultimate Gear jersey of PK Subban. Montreal is Ver 80. And last but not least is for the Boston Bruins, Ultimate Signatures, Brad Marchand. Howell T again. Pays off to get that many spots. Not a bad box. Our case of 14-15 Ultimate Collection has been very nice. Like, look at this, guys. Why did Upper Deck stop doing that? I don't understand why stopped the Ultimate debut threats. I don't get it. Okay, our final box is the new Ultimate Collection 15-16 box number 347. Good luck. Okay, well, we have a booklet. We start with a dual jersey, number 7 of 99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. For the Ottawa Senators, a jumbo relic autograph of Chris Dreger. For the Carolina Hurricanes, number 42 of 99, dual jersey rookie autograph of Brock McGinn. T-Hoop. For the Florida Panthers, number 178 of 299, a rookie autograph of Connor Brickley. The wrong Connor. That goes to 0D86. And last but not least, not bad. Not bad at all. Number 14 of 35. Signature Honored Materials, Jerome Iginla. Jersey and autograph going to Slick Rick and Colorado. Wow, Slick Rick, you had spot number 12, and you got a card number from a player that was number 12. There you go. And that was our break, guys. No multi-randoms to do, so everyone that was in this break has one entry to the bonuses at the end of the night. We got more breaks coming up right after this. Thank you.